Dear students, welcome to my video. In our last video, we discussed up to different kinds of teeth. Today, we will study about structure of a tooth and care of teeth. Okay, let us start. Though we have different kinds of teeth, all our teeth have the same basic structure. When we smile, we can see our teeth, but what we see is not our entire tooth. It is actually only a part that is visible to us. Each tooth has a crown and root. The crown part is what we see, while the root part is inside the gums. The visible part of the tooth is called the crown. And what is the root? The part of the tooth that is not visible and is inside the gums is called the root. Observe part of a tooth. This visible part of the tooth is called the crown. And that crown is covered with a hard white substance called enamel. What is enamel? The hard white part on the outside is called the enamel. And below the enamel lies the hard dentin. The dentin is like bone. Inside the dentin is the pulp. The pulp is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. It forms the central chamber of the tooth. Next one is the care of teeth. Proper care of teeth is very important. When we eat, tiny bites of food get stuck in spaces between our teeth. We need to clean them out. Otherwise, germs breed there and forms a sticky layer on teeth. So proper brushing with a toothbrush, toothpaste and water can remove this layer. Okay? Since no new teeth grow after the appearance of the permanent set of teeth, if we not looked after carefully, the teeth can decay and fall off. Therefore, it is very important to take good care of our teeth. Now we discuss some good habits that can help prevent tooth decay. Okay? First one is we have to rinse our mouth after each meal. We have to brush our teeth twice in a day. Once after getting up in the morning and once before going to bed at night. We have to brush the teeth using up and down movement of the toothbrush. You observe the correct way of brushing teeth. How do you brush our teeth? We have to brush the teeth using up and down movement of the toothbrush. Clear? So brush for around 2 minutes each time we clean our teeth. Moreover, we should avoid eating too much of sweets, chocolates and cold drinks. This can cause cavities in the teeth. So we should avoid too much eating of such food. And we have to clean our tongue regularly. We have to take such type of food which are rich in calcium and vitamin A, such as milk, milk products, eggs and green leafy vegetables. Last one is We have to visit a dentist for regular checkup of our teeth as far as possible. Thank you.